Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a cross-handed Wurlitzer. Obviously knowing how to do a Wurlitzer already would be really useful, and knowing how to do a travelling Wurlitzer would be quite useful as well. Links in the description below. So what does it look like? Well, it goes like this. It goes 7 and 8 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Easy as that. So we need a cross-handed position, and the usual way to get to that is a return from an accordion. So we're going to generate that but from nothing. So we're going to do it right to right, semicircle back, offering the left over the top. We're going to come in, do a return in the right hand. Obviously you need to set that up in freestyle. Left goes over the lady, right goes over the lady, come all the way round, cross-handed, and we step back. Guys, we're going to step to the left as we walk the lady forwards with the right hand. So we're actually taking the lady, so she's turning to her left a little bit. We're keeping the lady moving forwards. We hang on with the left hand underneath, and it feels like we're leading a spin past us with the right hand. So as the lady goes through, we push and release with the right. That opens the lady up, so she's turning to the right, but our left hand is stopping her from going too far. While that's happening, guys, we're moving out of the way to the left, and then we pull down to our right with the left hand to spin the lady through in a return direction, walk to the other side, keeping an eye on the lady, and catch. So let's do the same thing from the other side and talk numbers. So we go semicircle back, offering the hand, 1, return, 2, back cross-handed, 3, walk the lady into the prep, 4, send the lady out into what is effectively a second prep, 5, spinning through, 6, and catching, 7. So let's do it. Here we go. 5, 6, cross-handed Wurlitzer. You go. Offer, return, back, prep, prep, spin, and catch. Now, it's called a cross-handed Wurlitzer. I would totally understand if someone said to me, surely that should be a cross-handed travelling Wurlitzer, because it's a travelling Wurlitzer variation, and I'd totally agree with you, except I've never heard anyone ever call it that. So I'm giving you the name that I've heard rather than what might be technically correct. Okay, so hopefully you find that useful. We will be back next time with another intermediate modern jive clip. Like, subscribe and hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end is something nice to practice to, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.